Hi everyone, welcome back. For those who are new, I'm Alice. I'm a designer and illustrator based in Australia. So I just came back from a bar which they have very interesting and incredible design. So I just want to show you guys. Also, I want to show you some of my printings which I use different materials to do it. Okay, let's go.那种夜晚夜景开始了。然后在这边是不是？We are open 这个。对。我先进去。哇，它里面是怎么样的？哦，哦，这是什么？Hi. So now I just want to introduce these two my paintings, and you can see actually they have the same concept. Let's have a look at this one first. This is the Procreate one. You can have a look. Actually, the main concept of this is like the relationship between our human beings and the environment, because nowadays more and more people are aware of the environment, so that's what it comes from. You can see this is like the plants, the trees, the lavender farm, and the spring trees as well. So the whole image like very romantic and very peaceful. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so now let's have a look at this watercolor one. So the paper which I use like it's very good. It's the cotton watercolor paper, and it's acid free, so just like don't need to worry about everything, just like do paintings. And these two, which one you like? You like the digital drawings or the hand watercolor ones? Just let me know. Okay, so now I just want to show you guys the whole step of these two. Okay. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a nice day, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye!